Welcome to our exploration of worms and their classification into different phyla. Worms are fascinating invertebrate animals that play crucial roles in ecosystems worldwide. In this video, we'll examine three major groups of worms: flatworms, roundworms, and segmented worms. Each group has unique characteristics that distinguish them from one another. Understanding these differences helps us appreciate the diversity of life forms and how evolution has shaped different body plans to suit various environments and lifestyles. The animal kingdom contains three primary phyla of worms. First is Platyhelminthes, commonly known as flatworms, which includes planarians and parasitic forms. Second is Nematoda, the roundworms, which are incredibly abundant and diverse. Third is Annelida, the segmented worms, which includes earthworms and leeches. Each phylum represents a distinct evolutionary lineage with its own unique body structure and characteristics. These three groups showcase increasing complexity in body organization, from the simple flatworms to the more advanced segmented worms. Flatworms belong to the phylum Platyhelminthes and have several distinctive features. Their most obvious characteristic is a dorso-ventrally flattened body, meaning they are flattened from top to bottom, giving them their flat appearance. They lack a body cavity, making them acoelomate animals. This means their internal organs are embedded directly in tissue with no space between. Flatworms display bilateral symmetry, where the left and right sides mirror each other. They possess simple organ systems, including a basic nervous system and excretory structures, but lack specialized circulatory and respiratory systems. The phylum Platyhelminthes is divided into three main classes. Turbellaria includes free-living flatworms such as planarians, which are often found in freshwater environments and are known for their remarkable regenerative abilities. Nematoda comprises parasitic flukes that live inside host organisms, often causing disease. These include liver flukes and blood flukes. Cestoda contains parasitic tapeworms, which live in the intestines of vertebrate hosts and can grow to considerable lengths. While turbellarians are mostly harmless, trematodes and cestodes are significant parasites affecting human and animal health. Roundworms, classified in phylum Nematoda, represent an evolutionary advancement over flatworms. They have a cylindrical body shape, appearing round in cross-section rather than flat. Unlike flatworms, roundworms possess a pseudocoelom, which is a body cavity that is not completely lined with tissue. This cavity provides space for organ development and allows for more complex body functions. Roundworms have a complete digestive system with both a mouth and an anus, unlike flatworms which have only one opening. They are covered by a tough, protective cuticle that they shed periodically as they grow. Several roundworms are medically and scientifically important. Ascaris is a large intestinal parasite that infects millions of people worldwide, particularly in areas with poor sanitation. Hookworms are blood-feeding parasites that attach to the intestinal wall and can cause anemia. Pinworms are very common human parasites, especially in children, causing itching and discomfort. Caenorhabditis elegans, often abbreviated C. elegans, is a tiny free-living soil nematode that has become one of the most important model organisms in biological research, helping scientists understand development, genetics, and aging. Annelids, or segmented worms, represent the most advanced worm phylum. Their defining feature is a body divided into repeated segments, which you can see as rings along their length. They possess a true coelom, a body cavity completely lined with tissue derived from mesoderm. This allows for more sophisticated organ development and body functions. Annelids have a closed circulatory system where blood flows through vessels, unlike the open systems or absent systems in other worm groups. They also have a well-developed nervous system with a brain-like structure and nerve cord running the length of their body. The phylum Annelida contains three major classes. Polychaeta are marine worms that live in ocean environments. They have numerous bristles called setae on each segment and include tube worms and other colorful marine species. Oligochaeta includes earthworms, which have fewer setae than polychaetes. Earthworms are vital for soil health, burrowing through earth and breaking down organic matter. Hirudinea comprises leeches, which have suckers at both ends and are known for blood-feeding behavior. Some leeches are used in medicine to prevent blood clotting during surgical procedures. Let's compare the three-worm phyla across important features. Regarding body cavity, flatworms have none, roundworms have a pseudocoelom, and segmented worms have a true coelom. For segmentation, only annelids show true body segmentation, while flatworms and roundworms lack segments. The digestive system in flatworms is incomplete with one opening, while both roundworms and segmented worms have complete systems with mouth and anus. Concerning circulation, flatworms and roundworms lack circulatory systems, relying on diffusion, whereas segmented worms possess a closed circulatory system. These differences reflect increasing complexity from flatworms to segmented worms. To summarize, we have explored 3 distinct groups of worms, each with unique characteristics. Flatworms have a simple body plan with no body cavity, making them the most basic of the 3 groups. Roundworms are cylindrical with a pseudocoelom, representing an intermediate level of complexity. Segmented worms possess advanced organ systems and a true coelom, making them the most sophisticated. Understanding these differences helps us appreciate how evolution has produced diverse solutions to the challenges of survival. Each group has successfully adapted to various environments, from soil and freshwater to marine habitats, and even inside other organisms as parasites.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.